In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manual journal in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can easily manage your accounting entries. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to Xero's official website at xero.com. Once there, navigate your eyes to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login option. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Xero account. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. Locate the taskbar menu at the top of the page and look for the option labeled Accounting. Clicking on Accounting will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find multiple accounting features. In this menu, search for the Manual Journals option. Clicking on Manual Journals will take you to a page where you can view existing journals or create new ones. Here, keep your eyes peeled for the plus New Journal option. By selecting this, you'll be able to create a new manual journal entry. Now, you'll be taken to a form where you can enter the journal details. First, you'll need to add a narration or a brief description of the journal. This is essential as it provides context for the entry, making it easier to understand its purpose later on. Next, input the date for the journal entry and, if relevant, an optional reference number. Once you've entered these details, it's time to add the debit and credit lines. Select the appropriate accounts that correspond with your transaction, such as sales, expenses, or assets. Specify the debit and credit amounts for each account to ensure they reflect the financial nature of the transaction. If your organization uses tracking categories, you can include them here as well to further delineate the transaction specifics. An absolutely crucial step is to check that your journal entry is balanced. This means that the total debits must equal the total credits. Balancing your journal is vital to maintain accurate accounting records, so double-check these figures to avoid any discrepancies. After all details are entered and the journal balances, you have two options. If you're not yet ready to finalize the entry, you can click Save as Draft. This allows you to return to the entry later for additional review or modifications. However, if everything's set and ready, go ahead and click Post. This action will finalize and officially record the journal entry in your Xero account. And that's it. You've successfully created a manual journal in Xero. By following these steps, managing your financial records should feel much more manageable. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll become proficient in creating manual journals in Xero.